welcome to Hallabol. You are watching our English news bulletin at this moment and this is Rashmi here with you. Before moving to the details, let us have a look at the headlines. Telangana unit of Congress party started a year-long celebration on birth centenary of former Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao. Rahul Gandhi once again took a swipe on Modi government over controlling the coronavirus situation and disputes on borders with China. Senior Congress leader Shubal Bhumik slammed Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb on his comments on Sikh centres, urged the Prime Minister to take immediate actions. Delhi Assembly decided to proceed with action against Tripura CM Biplab Kumar Deb over his recent comments on the brains of Sikh centres. Congress in Telangana launched the centenary celebrations of former Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao on Friday. Congress chief Sonia Gandhi paid tribute to the hero of liberalization, thanking him for his scholarly personality and dedicated efforts in the Congress party. Congress chief Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi wrote congratulatory letters to the Telangana unit of the Congress party for organizing a year-long celebration on the birth centenary of former Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao, born in Andhra Pradesh decades before Telangana was created. P.V. Narasimha Rao, known as the hero of liberalization, was an Indian lawyer and politician who served as the 9th Prime Minister of India from 1991 to 1996. Born on 28th of June 1921, he breathed his last on 23rd of December 2004. Describing former Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao as a dedicated Congress leader, AICC President Sonia Gandhi on Friday said, "The Grand Old Party takes pride in his accomplishments and contribution." In a message read out by Telangana Congress President Uttam Kumar Reddy, Sonia Gandhi said, "Shri P.V. Narasimha Rao's tenure was marked by a number of political and social and foreign policy achievements that have endured, and have above all, he was a dedicated congressman who served the party tirelessly in various capacities." She further added, "The birth centenary of Rao is an occasion to recall and pay tribute to a most scholarly and erudite personality who had a long career in the state and national politics." She also did not fail to mention the fact that the Union Budget of July 24, 1991 paved the way for the economic transformation of India. Bureau Report, Hallabol. Modi government is solely responsible for the overall economic downfall, increasing COVID crisis and border disputes with China. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi once again took a swipe on the misrule and ill governance of the saffron government in the country. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi once again took a jibe on the Modi government yet again over the rising coronavirus cases in the country and also on the border disputes with China. In a post on Twitter, Gandhi wrote, "I kept warning them on COVID-19 and the economy. They rubbished it. Disaster followed. I kept warning on China. They are rubbishing it." Gandhi has been continuously warning and alerting the ruling BJP government in the centre over a host of the issues, including the government's handling of the COVID-19 pandemic, economy and the border conflicts with China. On Thursday, he shared a video where he said, "Prime Minister is 100% focused on building own image. India's captured institutions are all busy doing this task. One man's image is not a substitute for a national vision." As the coronavirus situation is worsening in the country with rising number of active cases and high death toll, he strongly criticized the ruling BJP government under Narendra Modi, listing the achievements of the saffron government during the pandemic over a tweet, which read as, "February had Namaste Trump. March, government fell down in Madhya Pradesh. April had a candle march. May 6th anniversary celebration of saffron government in India. June had a virtual rally in Bihar and ill motive to disroll the government in Rajasthan in the month of July." He criticized the BJP government, saying that is why the country is self-reliant or Atmanirbhar in fighting with corona. He further slammed the BJP government over the economic crisis and distress of the poor people due to the impact of overall downfall in economy. Bureau Report, Hallabol. Mass leader Shubal Bhomik took a jibe on Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb's recent comments on Sikhs and Jats, urged the Prime Minister Narendra Modi to take immediate strong actions. Senior Congress leader Shubal Bhomik took a swipe on Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb on his recent comments on brains of Sikhs and Jats. In a recent program, while addressing the people, came Tripura Chief Minister's latest shocker while praising Bengal's brain when he said Punjabis and Jats are physically strong but they lack brains. This statement has courted controversy among the political environment as well as among the social communities in the country. The senior Congress leader Shubal Bhomik termed Chief Minister's remark as shameful and unfortunate. He further commented CM Biplab Kumar Deb to be loose, illiterate and idiotic, saying that he has hurted the dignity of the social communities and pushed Tripura's head down out of shame. Shubal Bhomik further added, in many of the previous occasions too, Biplab Deb has been found commenting loose and absurd statements which are completely baseless, and it affected the image of Tripura before national and international community.
Our Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb desert our dignity and prestige of our community as well as our state of Tripura. Because of people of Tripura, his loose, illiterate and idiotic statement he earlier in several occasions always he made loose and absurd comments. Those also affected our state image.
Mass leader Shubal Bhomik further urged the Prime Minister to take immediate and strong actions against Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb, claiming his statements to be anti-national. Shubal Bhomik added that the absurd comments of Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb would be an insult to the major portion of Indian armed forces that include Sikhs and Jats.
Before the international community. Therefore, I would like to request Honorable Prime Minister should take the strong action immediately against the Tripura Chief Minister for his anti-national comments publicly. Otherwise, the high morale of the Sikhs and Jats forces of the Indian Army will be down, and let him be quit the constitutional chair and face the trial under law.
The Tripura Chief Minister has created controversies earlier also. In 2018, he said internet and television existed in the time of Mahabharata. He also raised questions on the crowning of Diana Hayden as Miss World in 1997 and alleged that an international beauty pageants were a farce. He also claimed last year that the Mughals intended to destroy the cultural wonders of the state by bombing its arts and architecture. Bureau Report, Halabod. The single statement by Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb is enough to collapse the peace and serenity of the society. Delhi Assembly decided to proceed with action against Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb on his recent comments on brains of Sikhs and Jats. Delhi Assembly decided to proceed with action against Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb over his recent comments on brains of Sikhs and Jats. Addressing the media, MLA cum chairperson convener of Delhi Assembly's Committee on Peace and Harmony, Raghav Chadha said, our committee has decided to take cognizance on the deplorable statements made by Tripura CM over Jat and Sikh communities. Several aggrieved persons deposed before the committee. An urgent meeting was called, and at first the members reached out to the people who lodged complaints on Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb's statement. All the complaints and issues were discussed thoroughly, and then the complaint were called before the committee. Their views expressed seriousness over the statement, which not only contributed to break the peace and serene atmosphere but will erupt tension, discord along with hate.
आज दिल्ली विधानसभा की पीस एंड हार्मनी कमेटी की एक बैठक बुलाई गई थी, जिस बैठक में मुख्य तौर पर कुछ कंप्लेंट्स जो त्रिपुरा के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री के बयान के संदर्भ में इस कमेटी को भेजी गई हैं, उस पर विचार विमर्श करने के लिए, चर्चा करने के लिए आज की एक अर्जेंट बैठक बुलाई गई थी। सबसे पहले सभी मेंबर्स ने इस बयान को लेकर उन तक पहुंची तमाम कंप्लेंट्स, तमाम समाज के लोगों ने जो उनको संपर्क किया, उसकी चर्चा विस्तार से करी। फिर जो कंप्लेनेंट्स हैं, जिन्होंने ये शिकायत इस कमेटी के सामने भेजी है, जो शिकायत करता है, उनको भी आज इस कमेटी ने अपने समक्ष आने का निमंत्रण दिया। आज 3 ऐसे कंप्लेनेंट्स जिन्होंने इस कमेटी को अपनी कंप्लेंट्स भेजी, उनको आज इस कमेटी ने एग्जामिन किया, उन कंप्लेनेंट से सवाल जवाब करे। मोटे मोटे तौर पर सभी कंप्लेनेंट्स ने यह आशंका जताई है कि ये जो बयान त्रिपुरा के मुख्यमंत्री ने दिया है, ये केवल आपत्तिजनक ही नहीं है, बल्कि ये समाज में अमन चैन शांति को भंग करने वाला बयान है।
Raghav Chadha further said one more complaint came from a person who does not even belongs to any of the communities that Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb mentioned, but still it said that this statement is enough to collapse the peace of the society. He also cited examples how both the communities are spread across the world and are holding leading positions internationally. Bureau Report, Halabol. All Tripura Government Doctors Association demanded state-level dedicated COVID-19 hospitals. Amidst a press conference on Friday, raised public awareness on increasing coronavirus threats. All Tripura Government Doctors Association conducted a press conference on Friday to aware the people of Tripura with terms of COVID-19. All Tripura Government Doctors Association General Secretary Dr. Rajesh Chaudhary said the state is heading towards a dangerous situation in handling coronavirus situation. Along with the frontline fighters, common people should be well aware for keeping themselves restricted from the spread of virus. Precautions should be taken by all the masses. He said, firstly, everyone should try to work from home. Secondly, workstations or PCs should be sanitized once in a week and hand wash techniques should be followed for betterment. He also asked everyone to use surgical masks.
যেটা বলা হয়েছে যে as much as possible try to work at home, বাড়ি থেকে যতটুকু সম্ভব কাজ করা সেটা করবেন। দ্বিতীয়ত, আপনার প্রত্যেকদিন নিউজ রুমে গিয়ে আপনাদের যে ওয়ার্ক স্টেশন কম্পিউটার সেট সেগুলিকে প্রত্যেকদিন অন্তত 70% অ্যালকোহল দিয়ে ক্লিন করা উচিত।
All Tripura Government Doctors Association demanded state-level dedicated COVID-19 hospitals. He also cited that there is a lack of sufficient doctors in the state. Amidst this crucial situation, there is a severe crisis of healthcare workers and therefore they demanded the administration to immediately look forward into the matter.
করোনা মহামারী শুরু হলো, আমাদের অতিরিক্ত অনেকটা কাজ বেড়ে গেছে। কোভিড কেয়ার সেন্টার, কোভিড আইসিইউ প্রত্যেক জেলায় হচ্ছে। তো এই ডাক্তারদের মধ্যে থেকে একটা অংশ সেই কোভিড কেয়ার সেন্টারগুলিতে, কোয়ারেন্টাইন সেন্টারগুলিতে গ্রুপ ক্লিনিকে ডিউটি করছে। আবার এই ডাক্তারের মধ্যে কিছু অংশ কোয়ারেন্টাইনে যাচ্ছে, আবার ইদানিং অনেক ডাক্তার পজিটিভ হয়ে, নার্স পজিটিভ হয়ে আইসোলেশনে যাচ্ছে।
In order to cut the rate of infections due to coronavirus, the All Tripura Government Doctors Association called for the public awareness program. Bureau Report, Halabol. Well, that's all from our English desk at this moment. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Halabol.